Which step is part of the proper hand-washing sequence for food handlers? A. Rub vigorously for at least 30 seconds. B. Use cold water and air-dry hands. C. Wet with warm water, minimum 100 degrees Fahrenheit. D. Turn off water with bare hands after rinsing. Answer: C. Wet with warm water, minimum 100 degrees Fahrenheit. When must food handlers wash their hands according to the book? A. Before clocking out. B. After touching face, hair, or skin. C. After checking email at breaks. D. Only before handling RTE foods. Answer: B. After touching face, hair, or skin. Bare hand contact with ready-to-eat food is A. Not allowed, use a physical barrier. B. Allowed only for bakery items. C. Allowed if hands are washed for 20 seconds. D. Allowed if using hand sanitizer afterward. Answer: A. Not allowed, use a physical barrier. Which is an acceptable physical barrier for handling ready-to-eat foods? A. Clean apron. B. Deli/wax paper. C. Hair restraint. D. Cloth towel. Answer: B. Deli/wax paper. A food handler who cannot wash hands due to a brace or splint. A. May work if wearing double gloves. B. Must be assigned to cold holding only. C. Cannot work with food. D. Can handle sealed packages only. Answer: C. Cannot work with food. Which illness/symptom requires exclusion from work until symptom-free for 24 hours without medicine? A. Mild headache. B. Sprained wrist. C. Seasonal allergies. D. Vomiting or diarrhea. Answer: D. Vomiting or diarrhea. The Big Six mnemonic in the book stands for pathogens including A. Listeria and Campylobacter. B. Salmonella and norovirus. C. Rotavirus and Giardia. D. Staphylococcus and Vibrio. Answer: B. Salmonella and norovirus. Which uniform practice is acceptable? A. Proper hair restraint and clean clothes. B. Long, painted nails with gloves. C. Wearing wrist jewelry during prep. D. Ornate ring if covered with glove. Answer: A. Proper hair restraint and clean clothes. Food from an approved source means A. Home canned foods accepted by the chef. B. Any product with a brand label. C. Supplier conforms to standards protecting public health. D. Items delivered during business hours. Answer: C. Supplier conforms to standards protecting public health. Once unsafe food deliveries are accepted, they A. Can be made safe by reheating. B. Can be made safe by quick freezing. C. Can be made safe with sanitizer. D. Cannot be made safe again. Answer: D. Cannot be made safe again. Which receiving temperature statement is correct? A. Eggs and live shell stock may be received at 45 degrees Fahrenheit. B. Hot foods are hot at 120 degrees Fahrenheit or above. C. Cold TCS foods may be 45 degrees Fahrenheit. D. Frozen foods may be soft but icy. Answer: A. Eggs and live shell stock may be received at 45 degrees Fahrenheit. Which receiving issue requires rejection? A. Cans with small surface dust. B. Clean, intact packages. C. Dented or swollen cans. D. Fresh fish with clear eyes. Answer: C. Dented or swollen cans. According to the book, food should be rejected if it is A. Firm and springy to the touch. B. Slimy, sticky, off color, or has a bad odor. C. Labeled with use by dates. D. Delivered with an invoice. Answer: B. Slimy, sticky, off color, or has a bad odor. For undercooked or raw fish served to customers, receiving requires A. Documents from the supplier about freezing/raising. B. Chef's verbal assurance. C. A signed customer waiver. D. Holding at 50 degrees Fahrenheit during delivery. Answer A. Documents from the supplier about freezing/raising. Shellfish tags must be kept on file for A. 7 days. B. 30 days. C. 60 days. D. 90 days. Answer D. 90 days. The temperature danger zone identified in the glossary is A. 32 to 135 degrees Fahrenheit. B. 41 to 135 degrees Fahrenheit. C. 41 to 140 degrees Fahrenheit. D. 45 to 135 degrees Fahrenheit. Answer B. 41 to 135 degrees Fahrenheit. Proper cold holding for TCS food is A. 41 degrees Fahrenheit or below. B. 45 degrees Fahrenheit or below. C. 40 degrees Fahrenheit exactly. D. 39 degrees Fahrenheit or below. Answer A. 41 degrees Fahrenheit or below. Proper hot holding for TCS food is A. 120 degrees Fahrenheit or above. B. 130 degrees Fahrenheit or above. C. 135 degrees Fahrenheit or above. D. 140 degrees Fahrenheit or above. Answer C. 135 degrees Fahrenheit or above. When using time as a public health control, room temperature TCS food should be A. Kept indefinitely if covered. B. Sold or discarded after 4 hours. C. Discarded after 2 hours. D. Reheated to 145 degrees Fahrenheit after 6 hours. Answer B. Sold or discarded after 4 hours. Thawing fully under cold running water requires that the food A. Stays at or below 45 degrees Fahrenheit. B. Is in still water to prevent splash. C. Is partially cooked first. D. Stays below 41 degrees Fahrenheit. Answer D. Stays below 41 degrees Fahrenheit. Which is an approved thawing method? A. On the counter if under 2 hours. B. In hot water then refrigerate. C. As part of cooking from frozen. D. Overnight in a turned-off oven. Answer C. As part of cooking from frozen. Raw shell eggs for immediate service must be cooked to at least A. 130 degrees Fahrenheit. B. 145 degrees Fahrenheit. C. 135 degrees Fahrenheit. D. 155 degrees Fahrenheit. Answer B. 145 degrees Fahrenheit. Raw shell eggs for hot holding must be cooked to at least A. 135 degrees Fahrenheit. B. 145 degrees Fahrenheit. C. 150 degrees Fahrenheit. D. 155 degrees Fahrenheit. Answer D. 155 degrees Fahrenheit. Fruits, vegetables, and grains cooked for hot holding should reach A. 135 degrees Fahrenheit. B. 145 degrees Fahrenheit. C. 155 degrees Fahrenheit. D. 165 degrees Fahrenheit. Answer A. 135 degrees Fahrenheit. Poultry such as chicken and turkey must be cooked to at least A. 145 degrees Fahrenheit. B. 150 degrees Fahrenheit. C. 155 degrees Fahrenheit. D. 165 degrees Fahrenheit. Answer D. 165 degrees Fahrenheit. Ground meats, tenderized/injected, must be cooked to at least A. 145 degrees Fahrenheit. B. 150 degrees Fahrenheit. C. 155 degrees Fahrenheit. D. 165 degrees Fahrenheit. Answer, C. 155 degrees Fahrenheit. Whole muscle meats and fish for immediate service must reach at least A. 135 degrees Fahrenheit. B. 145 degrees Fahrenheit. C. 155 degrees Fahrenheit. D. 165 degrees Fahrenheit. Answer, B. 145 degrees Fahrenheit. Reheating TCS foods made in-house for hot holding requires reaching A. 135 degrees Fahrenheit within 2 hours. B. 145 degrees Fahrenheit within 1 hour. C. 155 degrees Fahrenheit within 1 hour. D. 165 degrees Fahrenheit within 2 hours. Answer, D. 165 degrees Fahrenheit within 2 hours. Undercooking raw TCS foods for customers is permitted only when A. A consumer advisory is on the menu. B. The chef approves the order. C. The customer signs a waiver. D. The item is served with cooked sides. Answer, A. A consumer advisory is on the menu. The required 2-stage cooling process for hot TCS foods is A. 165 degree F 70 degree F in 2 hours, 70 degree F 41 degree F in 2 hours. B. 135 degree F 70 degree F in 2 hours, 70 degree F 41 degree F in 4 hours. C. 135 degree F 80 degree F in 1 hour, 80 degree F 41 degree F in 5 hours. D. 145 degree F 70 degree F in 2 hours, 70 degree F 41 degree F in 6 hours. Answer, B. 135 degree F 70 degree F in 2 hours, 70 degree F 41 degree F in 4 hours. In the cooling example, soup that did not meet the first stage by 2 hours must be A. Reheated to 165 degrees Fahrenheit before 2 hours or discarded. B. Reheated to 145 degrees Fahrenheit after 4 hours. C. Stirred more often and kept. D. Left uncovered until cooled. Answer, A. Reheated to 165 degrees Fahrenheit before 2 hours or discarded. The minimum wash water temperature for manual ware washing is A. 100 degrees Fahrenheit. B. 110 degrees Fahrenheit. C. 120 degrees Fahrenheit. D. 140 degrees Fahrenheit. Answer, B. 110 degrees Fahrenheit. For high-temperature dish machines, the surface temperature of food contact surfaces must reach at least A. 150 degrees Fahrenheit. B. 155 degrees Fahrenheit. C. 160 degrees Fahrenheit. D. 165 degrees Fahrenheit. Answer, C. 160 degrees Fahrenheit. Approved sanitizer types specifically named in the book include A. Iodine and peroxide. B. Chlorine and quaternary ammonia, quats. C. Bleach only. D. Alcohol-based only. Answer, B. Chlorine and quaternary ammonia, quats. How often must utensils and equipment be cleaned and sanitized when in use? A. Every hour. B. Every 2 hours. C. Every 8 hours. D. Every 4 hours. Answer, D. Every 4 hours. The 5 steps for proper manual ware washing in a 3-compartment sink include A. Rinse, wash, sanitize, dry, polish. B. Pre-wash, scrape, wash, rinse, sanitize, air dry. C. Wash, sanitize, rinse, dry, store. D. Soak, wash, rinse, sanitize, towel dry. Answer, B. Pre-wash, scrape, wash, rinse, sanitize, air dry. Which practice helps prevent cross-contamination? A. Store raw meats above ready-to-eat items. B. Use the same cutting board after a quick rinse. C. Use separate cutting boards for raw product and RT foods. D. Keep raw eggs on ice over salads. Answer, C. Use separate cutting boards for raw product and RT foods. Which action has caused foodborne illness, per the book? A. Using sanitized utensils. B. Keeping raw and RT foods apart. C. Properly cooling TCS foods. D. Adding contaminated ingredients to food. Answer D. Adding contaminated ingredients to food. Thermometer calibration in ice water requires adjusting to A. 32 degrees Fahrenheit. B. 0 degrees Fahrenheit. C. 41 degrees Fahrenheit. D. 100 degrees Fahrenheit. Answer A. 32 degrees Fahrenheit. When thawing under refrigeration, the unit must be maintained at A. 32 degrees Fahrenheit or less. B. 41 degrees Fahrenheit or less. C. 45 degrees Fahrenheit or less. D. Below 50 degrees Fahrenheit. Answer B. 41 degrees Fahrenheit or less. The refrigerated storage guidance specifies that prepared TCS foods made in the facility must be used within A. 3 days. B. 5 days. C. 7 days. D. 10 days. Answer C. 7 days. In a reach-in refrigerator, the thermometer should be placed A. Near the door gasket. B. In the warmest part of the unit. C. In the coldest rear corner. D. On any middle shelf. Answer B. In the warmest part of the unit. Food in refrigerated storage should be kept A. Covered, labeled, and dated. B. Uncovered to cool faster. C. On the floor if wrapped. D. Above raw poultry for easy access. Answer A. Covered, labeled, and dated. Proper storage order to prevent cross-contamination includes placing A. Raw chicken above ready-to-eat foods. B. Raw ground meats above whole fish. C. Ready-to-eat foods above raw animal products. D. Unwashed produce above prepared salads. Answer C. Ready-to-eat foods above raw animal products. Minimum elevation for storing food off the floor is A. 2 inches. B. 4 inches. C. 8 inches. D. 6 inches. Answer D. 6 inches. Utensils stored in water between uses must be kept A. At any temperature if changed every hour. B. At 41 degrees Fahrenheit or below, or 135 degrees Fahrenheit or above. C. At room temperature if water is clean. D. Under still water in a pan. Answer B. At 41 degrees Fahrenheit or below, or 135 degrees Fahrenheit or above. Produce should be washed A. After cutting to avoid water absorption. B. Only if visibly soiled. C. Under running water before cutting or combining. D. With sanitizer solution in a prep sink. Answer C. Under running water before cutting or combining. Smoking, eating, and drinking are permitted A. Anywhere if done quickly. B. Only in designated areas away from food and where washing. C. In prep areas during slow periods. D. In dish rooms if food is covered. Answer B. Only in designated areas away from food and where washing. The Nevada Clean Indoor Air Act applies to A. Smoking areas that must be compliant. B. Only bars and lounges. C. Only outdoor seating areas. D. Private staff rooms only. Answer A. Smoking areas that must be compliant. An immediate pest control consultation is required when A. 2 or more insects are found in a trap. B. A single rodent is seen in the facility. C. Ants are seen outside the back door. D. Flies are present near trash. Answer B. A single rodent is seen in the facility. Which is part of Integrated Pest Management, IPM? A. Keep doors open for ventilation. B. Use household pesticides as needed. C. Seal gaps and keep doors/screens closed. D. Store traps near food prep sinks. Answer: C. Seal gaps and keep doors/screens closed. Only a licensed pest control operator may A. Place fly strips. B. Apply restricted use pesticides. C. Clean floor drains. D. Remove trash outdoors. Answer: B. Apply restricted use pesticides. The glossary definition of time and temperature control for safety, TCS, includes foods such as A. Meat, fish, eggs, milk, and cut lettuce. B. Bread, whole apples, and sugar. C. Whole melons and dried beans. D. Canned goods and sealed chips. Answer: A. Meat, fish, eggs, milk, and cut lettuce. Time as a public health control requires that food held using this method be A. Labeled and used within 24 hours. B. Covered and reheated after 6 hours. C. Served, sold, or discarded after 4 hours. D. Kept on ice until the end of the shift. Answer: C. Served, sold, or discarded after 4 hours. According to the book, contamination types include A. Thermal, mechanical, electrical. B. Physical, biological, chemical. C. Viral, bacterial, parasitic only. D. Mineral, organic, inorganic. Answer: B. Physical, biological, chemical. A consumer advisory is a written statement that A. Lists supplier delivery temperatures. B. Explains reheating procedures for staff. C. Approves undercooking any food on request. D. Informs about risks of eating raw/undercooked animal products. Answer: D. Informs about risks of eating raw/undercooked animal products. The proper way to turn off water after hand washing is to A. Use a paper towel to turn off the water. B. Use your elbow to close the faucet. C. Let it run to avoid recontamination. D. Ask another employee to turn it off. Answer: A. Use a paper towel to turn off the water. When receiving frozen foods, you should reject items that A. Are hard frozen and intact. B. Have ice crystals or liquids in the package. C. Show the manufacturer's use by date. D. Are delivered in insulated totes. Answer: B. Have ice crystals or liquids in the package. The correct statement about storing utensils between uses is A. Store with handles in mixed directions for easy grab. B. Keep submerged in room temperature water. C. Store with handles pointing the same direction. D. Place directly in ice used for drinks. Answer: C. Store with handles pointing the same direction. The hand sink is designated for A. Hand washing only and must have liquid soap, paper towels, and a trash can. B. Rinsing small utensils between tasks. C. Filling sanitizer buckets when busy. D. Pre-rinsing produce before prep. Answer: A. Hand washing only and must have liquid soap, paper towels, and a trash can.